Hello viewers, this is Rajiv Bhomik and you are watching my channel Make Things Easy. In my videos I give lot of information. This video also will be very informative. So watch this video till the end. Hello viewers, in this video I am going to explain you about GMP. So first let us understand what is GMP. GMP means Good Manufacturing Practice. It is a part of quality assurance which ensures that the products are consistently manufactured and controlled to the quality standards appropriate to their intended use. It is a set of regulations, codes and guidelines. Now viewers, there is a confusion in the industry that where it is applicable. Is it for engineering industry or for pharmaceutical industry? Let us understand. GMP is used for drug manufacturing, food manufacturing, medical device manufacturing, cosmetic products manufacturing, diagnostic products manufacturing. Now let us understand for GMP what are the guidelines are followed. Schedule M of CDSCO. CDSCO means Central Drug Standard Control Organization. WHO means World Health Organization. MHRA, that means Medical and Healthcare Product Regulatory Agency. Then TGA. TGA means Therapeutic Goods Administration. Then FDA. FDA means Food and Drug Administration. Then ICH. ICH means International Council for Harmonization. Viewers, now I'll explain you history of GMP year by year. Let us start. 1902 Biologics Control Act. 1906 Pure Food and Drug Act. 1938 Federal Food, Drug and Cosmetic Act by FDA. 1944 Public Health Service Act. 1963 GMPs for Drugs 28 FR 6385. 1968 European Pharmaceutical Industries Association published voluntary GMP guidelines. 1969 WHO published GMP guidelines. 1975 Cgmps for blood and blood components final rule. 1976 Medical Device Amendments. 1978 Cgmps for drug and devices 21 CFR 210-211 and 820. 1979 GLPs 21 CFR 58 final rule. 1987 Guideline on General Principles of Process Validation. 1990 Safe Medical Device Act. 1997 Cgmps for Medical Devices Quality System Regulation Final Rule. 2001 ICH Q7A API Guidance. 2017 Commission Directive EU 2017/1572. The five main components of GMP are often summarized as the 5 P's. These pillars ensure that products are consistently produced and controlled according to quality standards. Now let us see what are those 5 P's. Number 1, people. Number 2, products. Number 3, premises. Number 4, processes. Number 5, procedures. Viewers, now I'll explain you key principles and requirements of GMP. Let us see one by one. Facilities. Premises must be designed for clean and orderly operation and kept in good condition. Equipment. All equipment must be appropriately designed, maintained and calibrated. Personnel. Staff must be qualified and receive regular training on their roles and responsibilities to ensure they can perform their jobs correctly. Processes. Manufacturing processes must be validated through testing to ensure they consistently produce the desired outcome. Documentation. Clear written instruction and detailed records must be kept for all aspects of the manufacturing processes, including raw materials, production and testing. Quality control. A robust system for quality control is needed, including regular testing of products and handling complaints. Hygiene and sanitation. Strict hygiene and sanitation procedures must be followed throughout the entire process to prevent contamination. Record keeping. Comprehensive records must be kept to provide an auditable trail of the entire manufacturing process. Raw materials. Only past raw material to be used in production, and all raw materials must be inspected as per specification by following predefined test methods. Validation and qualification. All the processes must be validated and qualified through competent authority. Handling complaints. A customer complaint handling policy must be there and to be followed till it is closed. Quality audits. Periodic quality system audit to be conducted and root cause analysis and corrective action to be done for all the non-conforming points. Now let us understand what are the risks are there if GMP is not followed. Unexpected contamination in products causing damage to health or even death. Incorrect labels on containers, which could mean that patients receive the wrong medicine. Insufficient or too much active ingredient resulting in ineffective treatment or adverse effects. A poor quality medicine may contain toxic substances that have been unintentionally added. A medicine that contains little or none of the claimed ingredients will not have the intended therapeutic effect. GMP is applicable in following areas: sales, premises, equipment, personnels, sanitation, raw material testing, manufacturing control, packaging material testing, finished product testing, quality control department, records regulatory authority, samples, stability, sterile products. Now I will explain you list of important documents in GMP. Let us see one by one. Policies, SOP, that means standard operating procedure, specifications, MFR, that means master formula record, then BMR, that means batch manufacturing record, manuals, master plan, validation protocols, forms format records. Let us understand 10 golden rules of GMP. Number 1, get the facility design right from the start. Number 2, validate processes. Number 3, write good procedures and follow them. Number 4, identify who does what. Number 5, keep good records. Number 6, train and develop staffs. Number 7, practice good hygiene. Number 8, maintain facilities and equipment. Number 9, build quality into the whole product life cycle. Number 10, perform regular audits. Now let us understand the difference between GMP and CGMP. GMP means good manufacturing practice, whereas CGMP means current good manufacturing practice. GMP provides general guidelines for ensuring product safety and effectiveness, whereas CGMP requires manufacturers to use current technologies, systems, and processes to maintain quality and comply with the latest regulatory standards. The C in CGMP signifies this continuous update and commitment to modern practices. Viewers, now let us understand how to get GMP certification. To get a GMP certificate, you must first align your facility with GMP guidelines by establishing quality control systems, training employees, and documenting all processes. Then apply to the relevant regulatory authority such as CDSCO or FDA or an accredited certification body. Then those regulatory authority will conduct an audit of your manufacturing site and relevant documentation. Then you need to pass the audit and comply with all the audit points. After successful completion, the certificate will be issued. Viewers, now let us understand what are the benefits of GMP certification. Number 1. Ensure enterprises management capabilities in product quality and safety. Number 2. Enable employees to develop good production operations habit. Number 3. Reduce the risk in product quality and improve safety. Number 4. Timely detect production and management problem, reduce cost. Number 5. Better understanding and comply with the relevant laws and regulations. Number 6. Enhance the international capability and public image. Number 7. Increase customers' long-term confidence in the enterprise. So viewers, I hope after watching this video, now you have got a full understanding about GMP. Hello viewers, so I hope you have liked this video. If you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it, share this video, like this video, and if you want to comment something, please leave your comment in the comment section. So thank you once again for watching my video.